finally here in Claremont, and oh my God, it's so bright here, well lit, Liz. And look at PJ, so mabait na brother. PJ is like insisting that I...
Mom, come on. Do it. Come on. I'll video you while you do it. Please.
PJ is... Oh my God, it's so cold. Look, the compound is...
Okay.
The campus is very, very bright. And PJ is like insisting that I carry this television.
Come on.
PJ talaga always make me do everything. Ay, oh, see, Dad said hindi ko kaya. Oh, it's heavy.
Mom, come on. You can do this.
PJ always makes me utos. Ayun,
Mom can carry this. I'll carry all.
Alison doesn't like to bring maleta. She likes paper bags. Kasi daw no room for maletas. Okay, Aton is carrying the Pamana carpet from Alex. This is the Pamana carpet from Alex.
People awake.
People that will be awake. People are awake. And this...
You don't have to help.
Look, there's somebody's... I help them. Okay, I help this. I have to carry this. OMG. So many supot, so many mga paper bags. This son is so embarrassed because we have so many supots. And that guy is cute. That's why she's nahihiya. Do you know all the cute guys here? Okay, let's go.
Please stop.
Well, you're nahihiya na. Okay, let's go. Okay. Cargador, PJ. You're a cargador.
My new job, pa.
Your new job in
I
America.
might transfer years.
Dad is here. We're so quiet because we might disturb them. Because it's 1 a.m. We have to respect the people who are sleeping.
See you.
It's 1 a.m. We have to.
We'll see her next month. We'll see her next month.
Yeah, we'll be here next month.
Basta libre mo ticket.